Well, I love cake. I love buttercream. You know, buttercream. I used to always do like buttercream shots.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much for letting me be a part of it. And I've been following you, as probably all of Facebook has, for so long. And your ministry in our community is really powerful.
So I have some exciting things. Like he doesn't know like how this is going to turn into a shark. This is going to be fun.
Okay.
So first, my first vision for this is kind of like this is the ocean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Under the sea.
Yeah. Okay.
Under the sea.
And he said there's going to be singing, so I don't know.
Yes.
If you guys stick around, you might sing something at the end. It's totally impromptu. We don't know what, but it's going to be good. Okay, so what we're going to do here, this is going to be our piping bag.
Okay.
And the reason why is because it's disposable. It's way easier. So I'm going to take this tip here, this 1M tip, and I'm going to slide it in here for you. And then this is going to be our ocean. So you said you have a little bit of some piping skills.
Yes.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some colors here. We got some different color blues going on here. So we have this color, which is a little bit of a deeper color. I'm just going to put a little bit on the side. And some of this white buttercream too. And what it's going to do is going to kind of cause like an ocean effect, kind of like, just different colors of blue.
Okay.
So we have white, and then here I'm going to add just in the back. And you just got to make sure that you have a good handle on this, and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to add a little bit of some blue.
Wow.
And this is dark, it's dark blue. So as you do this, it's going to really come alive. So we're going to do some practice runs here on the top.
Okay.
Right here, I want you to just show me your skills, okay?
Oh,
See
girl.
if you can kind of just do like a little bit of like a circle right here in the center. Okay?
This is really beautiful.
It's cool, it's gonna look like water.
Alright, so let's see what we got. We gotta squeeze it down, turn it a little,
There you go.
and
And just watch the tip, because sometimes it might explode out of there.
we don't need any explosions in these days.
There you go.
Like that?
Yes,
Okay.
that's awesome.
Okay.
Yes, that's awesome. Okay, so now I'm gonna really surprise you.
Okay.
Watch, guys, I'm so excited. He didn't know this was happening. Okay?
This is beautiful. This is beautiful, this color. Wow. The seaweed is all big. Oh my word! Did you do that?
Yes! We did it earlier today. I'm so excited. This is the shark, or the shark cake.
Wow!
Okay, so
I never would have dreamt. That is beautiful. Is that fondant or cake or what?
it's fondant, so underneath it is a bunch of Rice Krispie treats.
Oh my
So we just kind of
word.
molded it like that, and then I put buttercream and then fondant on top.
That
So
is gorgeous.
this is for you to put on top. Just nice and gently there. Just push it maybe, I guess maybe to the side this way so we can see.
Yeah, look at the shark.
And just place it right there. Perfect. Well, maybe we'll push him down a little bit. And yeah.
Or handsome or scary.
Yes. So now, what we're going to do now, you see more of my vision here because we're going to get the water going all around here to cover up the border of this cake, okay?
Yeah.
So, what you're going to do is just a little squirt here like this. You can do little squirts like this around.
Okay.
Or if you're really comfortable, you can kind of squeeze it like that around to kind of create the water.
Gosh, now if I mess up, you'll be able to fix it. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
So just go around there. And this is the fun part, guys, because if you have a little bit of a dream, a little bit of a vision of what you want it to be, just, it's so much more fun when you have friends to help to create that.
All right, tell me, what am I doing?
So that's perfect.
Okay.
Just keep on going around with those ruffles. That's exactly awesome. Like, that's like perfect. That's even better than what I was thinking.
Oh my word. Ridiculous.
It's true, it's true. So I'm going to go around the bottom here with another,
please.
and while I do that, I just want you to take some of these Swedish fish, okay? I got the ones with the different colors, okay, guys? So what you're going to do here, Nathan, is just put them all around the top, if you would.
Okay.
Or wherever you want them.
Like, where are you thinking? Just, it doesn't even matter.
Put it in his mouth.
Yeah.
Just make sure you don't knock out some teeth.
No. That is so cool. That is
It's all fun, and so we are at the Jump Trampoline Park, and guys, He has his awesome children here. They're all jumping right now, so I can't wait to see what they say when they see this cake when we're done.
Yes.
And I am so excited because we're going to be giving it away to someone really special. I'm so excited. You guys, and you all know what to do every Tuesday. You just like and share this video, and you're in the drawing
Like
to
and
win.
share. Like and
Yes.
share.
And
You're going to want this cake.
Yeah. It is awesome.
Got me frozen sprinkles.
Yeah. I love sprinkles. Makes me so happy. Okay, so we'll just put some little squirts around here somewhere.
There you go.
And some nice little waves.
The waves are crashing.
Yeah, right?
Makes you kind of want to go to the beach. Well, not necessarily with a shark.
Yeah, I know. But I tell you what, it is Shark Week and we're celebrating. So
That's right.
that's fun. That's super, super fun. Just putting some of these waves. And y'all saw how we did just some dark white and it just kind of makes its own little swirls in there too.
It's really neat how all those colors kind of still come together like that.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
So cool.
It's almost like with this kind of thing, you can't go wrong with where you're going to put them. So the kids, like the kids will be able to decorate with this kind
Yes,
of thing, you know?
definitely. I'm just telling you, there are so many things, like sky's the limit with this, okay? You can be as creative as you want to be. Here's some sprinkles. You can put them wherever you want to. This is turning in, this is Nathan's cake, guys.
What's your favorite cake?
My favorite is ice cream, okay?
Okay.
So I'm
Ice cream
really
cake?
a big ice cream person. Ice cream cake, yes.
Okay,
I love ice cream cake. So here, I would just, once you finish that, you
Okay.
can just take some of this sand,
Uh-huh.
which is actually graham cracker, or you can do golden Oreos, whichever one. But you
Okay.
can just put that all around the side too.
Like on the cake or here?
On the board. If you
Oh, on
want.
the board, yeah.
Just a little bit there. Yeah. That's perfect. Awesome.
You're so encouraging.
I'll tell you what, man. This ain't your first rodeo.
That looks like a little ocean, like a little beach. I think the fish in his mouth. So I think that was really cool.
You can do that right in between his teeth.
Dun-dun-dun.
That's great. That's awesome.
You know, I'm thinking of the, Gabby and I both love, do you call me Gabby?
They do?
Gabby and I both love music, and so I was like, girl, we cannot do this without some songs.
Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. That's my favorite. Thank you so much for everything. It's been amazing
This
today.
is so cool. Thank you for letting me be a part of it. I could probably stand here forever and just think, like, what other song can we do? What other song can we do? But
Well, we'll have to have you back.
There
I'm
you
telling
go.
you. Guys, hey, it's been awesome with
Yes.
you guys today.
Yes.
If you want to win this cake, you all know what to do. Just like and share this video, okay? And you are in the drawing to win it. If you're out of town and you win, I will send you some cookies from us to you. God bless you guys.